Good marketing makes a company look good, but great marketing makes a company feel good and smart. But marketing is the most misunderstood subject by all of us. So, I welcome all of you to our Business Page Charcha session. The topic is a lot of myths and misconceptions that all of us have about marketing, that marketing does not work, it is too expensive, it's not for me, it's not for a small business, it's not for a B2B or industrial product. Our guest and lead speaker for this session today is Kripanand Chidambaram. Welcome all to our Business Page Charcha session.
Good afternoon to all the participants here. So let me get started quickly. So I would want to say that marketing is one of the most misunderstood word among business owners. There's a lot of misconception for many of us. Marketing is a bad word. We feel like marketing is not for us. So how do we find out why this thought process has come? So let us go point by point and try to find out what are the misconceptions most of us have about marketing. The first thing is, most of us believe marketing is only for big companies. So we are saying, okay, I have a very small business, I'm into a niche business, I am into a manufacturing, I'm only doing exports, so शायद मेरे लिए marketing का ज़रूरत नहीं है. So actually that is not the case. Marketing is for everyone, irrespective of size, industry or sector. So marketing is for everyone. Next misconception, marketing is very expensive. हमें लगता है कि marketing is very expensive, we can't afford. I would say that it does require attention, money and resources. In many times it appears expensive because we don't understand the value. There's a difference between price and value. यहाँ हमें उसका value नहीं समझ में आता करके it appears expensive. Marketing does not work. I think this is something many of us believe कि यार marketing काम का नहीं है, doesn't work, it is too much of jazz. I agree that marketing talent is not available in the market. So most of the time it does not work because it is not executed well. तो आप ये थोड़ा अच्छे से समझ लीजिए. So marketing works, but it doesn't work for you, or it is not working for us because marketing talent available नहीं है और वो अच्छे से execute नहीं हो पाता है. That is the reason why it is not working. Marketing is cheating. Many of us feel that marketing is all about slyness. Many times people disguise. Sometimes people exaggerate things. But none of these things means cheating. Cheating is cheating. Marketing is not cheating. So let us have this complete clarity. Marketing is not for good products. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं यार I do a fantastic product, मेरा services बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा बहुत very well established process है, तो मुझे marketing करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But I would say it's very important that marketing is important for good product. In fact, good companies or good products के लिए बहुत important है. Rather, if you're doing a bad product or you have a bad service and आप marketing करोगे, in fact आपका downfall का time बहुत faster हो जाएगा if you use marketing. So marketing essentially is something all companies needs to adopt. And again, in fact, we see that if we don't market, if we feel that नहीं, I do fantastic product services, लोग अपने आप मुझे discover करके मेरे पास आ जाएंगे, मैं लोगों के पास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think in today's age and time, that strategy is not effective. It will take a lot of time for you to do that. Almost 10-15 years चला जाएगा if you want to really only purely word of mouth पे आपको depend करना है. So I think marketing, if it is a good product, it is important that you market it well. Rather, if your product is bad, पहला let us go back to our production, our basics, and get that right, and then come to marketing. Marketing is equals to sales team. बहुत लोग समझते हैं यार I have a 3-member sales team, I have 5-member sales team. मतलब हाँ मैं effectively market करता हूँ. So again, this is something which we need to clarify in our heads. Sales is different from marketing. In fact, sales is a subset of marketing. If you want a sales team to be productive, you need the umbrella of marketing. ठीक है, आप ये समझिए, marketing is completely different and sales, just having a sales team doesn't mean that you're marketing. One more thing, we feel okay, marketing is equal to printing flyers and brochures. Lot of us यार मैंने तो एक brochure अच्छे से बना दिया, मैंने एक flyer बांट दिया, ये कर दिया, मतलब okay, I'm doing marketing effectively. Again, we understand that printing flyers and brochures is a collateral, is a marketing collateral, but that doesn't complete your market process. It requires a lot of other components, but सिर्फ brochure और printer रखने से we can't say that we are effectively marketing. So ये भी चीज थोड़ा clarity रखिए. Marketing is very complex. I think this is something which I would agree. Marketing is complex subject because it is a mix of science, art, psychology, research, analytics, behaviors. So there's a lot of things involved. So marketing is fairly a complex subject. And most of us business owners, we have a different domain expertise. So we are involved in manufacturing, maybe somebody is from engineering background, chemical background, somebody is from medicine background. So most of the business have a different domain expertise. So since this subject is very complex, we feel a little scared and somehow we don't value that, or we don't give enough importance to that. As I told you, I agree it is a fairly complex subject, but if you pay enough attention and if you have the right team around you and somehow a thoda time doge, this can become easy for you.
PLL session. Glad to be here.
BLL. So glad to be part of
BLL.